Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are having a great day. And remember, you are successful. You are a doer. You are not a quitter. I am joining you here today just to tell you to have a great day, to be blessed. And I am going to show you a fast way to make a sausage and gravy deep dish. This is going to be very exciting. I hope you are ready. This right here is my breakfast for the day. Right here it is currently 10:25 a.m. I'm going to have me a fast breakfast. So make sure you stay tuned and do not miss it. I will show you here what it is. That is what it is. Now you guys may be thinking, is that what he is having for breakfast? I say yes, today that is my breakfast. The fast way to do it, I can have it done in 10 minutes. It is quick. First thing you do is, of course, you open it up and get it out of the package, which is very simple to do. While that is getting there, you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You find you a pan to put it on. This is simple, quick, fast, and in a hurry. Just so you know, don't take hardly any time at all. Boom, it's out of the box. You got your oven preheating. You throw this in the microwave for 3 minutes. Time cook, 3, start. Boom. That's cooking. As soon as that gets done, you throw it in the oven and it will be a done deal. Now I also, in the mornings, as you see I got my body here, I'm going to throw that in some orange juice today. I've got that one. I've got my mind. I'm going to throw both of those into some orange juice. And then I will be ready to rock and roll. Today, I'm working my online business. I'm working Heart and Body Natural some. I'm working some of my other income sources today. I just wanted to let you know that you are successful. You are an overcomer. You are above and not beneath. You go get it. Make that $1 million today. You got it going on.